हाँ जी। कहाँ ज्वाइन ओ। चलो बोलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
Page number 41, mealtime quiz. This is a drink that grow mainly in China and India. Answer D. Second, this is a cereal that is used to bake bread, cake and chapatis. USA and Russia and India
Wait.
are its main producers. Answer B. Hot or cold, everybody likes to drink it. Brazil and Colombia are its main producers. Answer coffee. It lives in water. Bangladesh, Japan and Norway are its major traders. Answer fish. 5. This product brings sweetness in our food and drink. It is mainly grown in India, Brazil and Cuba. Sugarcane. 6. It is the staple food of most of the in world. India, Vietnam and Indonesia are its chief producer. Answer rice. 7. From this crop, we extract the cooking medium in this is used to cook the meals. It is mainly grown in India and China. Answer groundnut. 8. This product is the main ingredient of the delicious chocolate that we love to eat. Ghana, Brazil and Nigeria are its chief producers. Answer fruit. 9. This fruit is so beautiful. This fruit is so beneficial for our health that if we eat it regularly, we will never have to visit a doctor for treatment. Its chief producers are USA and France. Answer apple. 10. This is a vegetable that is the universal favorite of all people. It is rich in vitamins and minerals too. Answer potato. Page number 43. Test your wisdom. First, A. Flightless bird with a long beak is the national emblem of Answer New Zealand. George Washington was the first president of Answer UK. River Danube flows through Answer Hungary. What are Bantu skills? Asoka, what are Bantu skills and labs? Answer Tibet. Asoka was the emperor of Answer India. Encircle odd man out. ए में होगा एस्किमोस. बी में होगा मार्को पोलो. सी में होगा चिली. डी में होगा गौचो. ई में ब्राजील. 3. ए. Read the name given in each group and find out what is common in them. Canada, Nepal, China. Country. Answer country. Don L. Eric. Love. Roy. Newspaper. Wheat, rice, sugarcane. Crops. D. France. Pound. Dollar. Currency.
तुम्हें एडमिट क्यों नहीं कर दिया था? एडमिट कर दिया करो 18 बच्चों। चलो करो
The pilgrims red Indians. Answer
जल्दी कंप्लीट करो। काटे हो गया। चलो आप 30 से रिवाइज करो। 30 से पेज नंबर 30 से रिवाइज करो। 43 तक कंप्लीट हो गया ना?
Yes, sir. Page number 30. 30. 3030.
3030.
Page number 30. 3. Tick the correct option. A. Drug that lessen or stop pain. Analgesic. B. A chemical used to remove all the stain from cloth. Ammonia. C. It is a herb that removes poison from the blood. Answer channel. D. A machine that is used for dragging soil and clearing garbage. Answer digger. The mineral planet that lie between Mars and Jupiter. Answer asteroid. Match the following. A. Vinegar. Write read the given condition and write in the box. Read the given condition and write in the box the name of the cells, organ or to which they belong to. A. Leukocytes. Answer tongue. B. Deafness. Answer ear. C. Cataract. Answer eye. D. Dermatitis. Answer skin. E. Anosmia. Answer nose. 6. Arrange the following in their respective categories. A. Gases. Gases में होगा प्रोपेन. B में होगा बुटाने. C.
रुक जाओ अरे 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 आ रहे
National flags. Page number 32. First, this flag belongs to the country which is the techno of the world. Second, this flag belongs to the country that is known as the land of white elephant. Answer Thailand. Third, this flag belongs to the country that is known as the land of thousand lakes. Answer Finland. Fourth, this flag belongs to the nation that loves of the game of soccer. Answer Brazil. 5. This flag belongs to the nation that is famous as land of golden fish. Answer Australia. 6. This flag belongs to the Japan leaf. Answer Canada. 7. The flag belongs to the country that is known as
जाता है, उसको देखा करो बोलने से पहले, है ना?
This flag belongs to the country that is known as the gift of Nile. Answer Egypt. This flag belongs to the country that is known as the cockpit of Europe. Answer Belgium. This flag belongs to the most populous country of the world. Answer China. Continent cues. Continent first. First country. India, Malaysia, Nepal, Bhutan. Cities Jodhpur, Kolkata, Lumpur, Pokhara, Thimphu. Answer Thimphu. And continent Asia. Second का continent Europe. Third Africa. Fourth North America. 5 South America. Page number 34. You know. 1. This is the main body of UN and consists of all its members. General Assembly. The main responsibility of this organ of UN is to maintain international peace or security. Answer Security Council. Third, this is the organ of UN that works on economic, social, culture and humanitarian problem. Example, Economic and Social Council. Fourth, this organ of UN prepares people for self-government or independence. It also supervises administration of the trust territories. Answer Trusteeship Council. The main
जैन के बाद तुम क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन करते हैं जी? जैन तो नहीं आया है कभी? जैन का है?
No sir. The main function of this UN organ is the settlement of international legal
सर
problems and
लगता है मंदिर से आ
disputes.
जाएगा।
International Court Justice. 6. This organ looks into all administrative matters of UN and it is headed by the Secretary General and the Secretariat. Page number 35. Waterways. First, Seine River, city Paris, country France. River Ravi, city Lahore, country Pakistan. Hudson, city New York, country USA. River Nile, city Alexandria, country Egypt. River Tigris, city Baghdad, country Iraq. River Thames, city London, country UK. River Irrawaddy, city Rangoon, country Myanmar. River Bagmati, city Kathmandu, country Nepal. River Danube, city Budapest, country Hungary. River Cantor, city Cantor, country China. Page number 36. Trees of the world. First, Eskimos, Canada or Greenland. Second, Bantus, Central and South Africa. Fifth, Thunder and Europe. Fourth, Fairness, Nepal. Maori, New Zealand. Sixth, Fitness, Congo, Basin, Zaire. Seventh, Vedas, Sri Lanka. Eighth, Goto. Page number 37.
ये देखो। पापा मम्मी का भी फोटो हम देखेंगे ना। पापा मम्मी का फोटो हमको पास रहेगा तो देखेंगे कि
एक देखो अर्जेंटीना, 9 Bangladesh, India, 10 Red Indian, answer North America. Page number 37. Currencies. First, rupees, Nepal or India. Peso, Mexico and Cuba. France or Switzerland. Dollar, USA and Australia. Pound, UK, Ireland. Dinar, Iraq or Kuwait. Page number 38. Dawn, Pakistan. Second, the Mirror, United Kingdom. Pravda, Russia. La Croix, France. Annapurna Post, Nepal. Lanka Deepa, Sri Lanka. Yomiuri Simbud, Japan. Nanpang, China. 9 Algeria. Egypt. 10 Hindustan Dinar. India. Chapter page number 39. National animal. First, the animal that carries its young one it found national animal of Australia. Answer kangaroo. Second, the flower that grows in water is the national emblem of France. Answer lily. The stretch of land along the sea is the national emblem of Denmark. Answer beach. Fourth, the flower that is considered most beautiful is the national emblem of Iran and United Kingdom. Answer rose. Fifth, the national emblem of USA is the wood rod made of shiny yellow pieces metal. Answer golden rod. Sixth, the national emblem of New Zealand is the brightest bird with a long tail. Answer kiwi. And question number 8. King of the jungle is the national emblem of Sri Lanka, Norway, Belgium. sharp eyes. Eagle.
रुक तुम बहुत चलो ये चलो
The national emblem of Sharia is the powerful bird now pony. Star on the side. Eagle. A. King of the jungle is the national symbol of Sri Lanka, Norway, Belgium, Netherlands, and Sierra Leone. Lion. The huge lion animal is the national animal of Ivory Coast. Elephant. The figure of moon with less than half visible is the national animal of Pakistan. Princess.
नहीं पता होगा
Magnificent bear. Masters of the world.
नेपोलियन मोड़ा पार्टी है मोड़ा पार्ट है अरे जिसके पास दिखे नहीं होगा वो साइंस करेगा
Ruled over the land Hitler came or drove away all the Jews from this country. Germany. Mao was the father of revolution in this country. China. Powerful prime minister of this country. UK. Most of the navy estates and trade with empire power. He was the king
चलो ये ओपन करने करने
कमेंट देखिएगा वो बता देगा बहुत two, three, 1.77, 1.7 देखा
ओके ये देखो चलो ला जी जाओ भाई अब हम पूछते हैं
क्यों नहीं है क्यों
Who was the first president of USA?
में जाता हूँ
Hey, Who was the first president of USA? Hello, Priyansu.
पापा की बात
Very good. George Washington. Hey,
डर गया
Raspa. Nelson Mandela, after serving period
नहीं करेगा
for our 5 years, the president of
ना
become the president
जो
of
पूरा स्मूथ खेलोगे नहीं जल्दी जल्दी बाइक चलती है कौन सा दिल्ली
हो गया चलो इधर हिटलर के बारे में बताओ। हिटलर के बारे में बोलो अब। देख
ये ऊपर चलेगा
नहीं आता है जो तुमको बोला है
बाद में चलो चलो
इधर आओ। एक हिटलर का सूट
सबको खेल कर देता सीरियल के
ऋषि इधर आओ इधर आओ। आ जाओ आप इजाज खाली है। और कोई बताएगा हिटलर के बारे में? चलो इधर आओ। अभी क्या कम है तुम भी इधर आओ ठीक से आओ। चलो ये तुम बताओ बोलो who was Hitler? President of Germany. और उससे रिलेटेड और कोई बताएगा? हाँ बोलो।
जीतने वाला
One of उनका ये रीजन है हिटलर। हिटलर के काम हुआ। और कौन बताएगा? हमारे बुक में देखो लिखा हुआ है हिटलर किल्ड और ड्रोव अवे ऑल द ज्यूज फ्रॉम दिस कंट्री जर्मनी। What? Great. नहीं जब कोई करेगा अब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ ना। अब ये
अबे हम ये तो बज्जी भी चुरा लेते हैं इसमें
नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट
बज्जी चुरा ली किसी ने मेरी
जिसको अपना इम्परेटर डिक्लेयर किया फ्रांस को। वेरी गुड। नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट डिक्लेयर्ड हिमसेल्फ द एम्परर ऑफ फ्रांस। नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट के अपने आप को घोषित कर दिया कि फ्रांस का साम्राज्य है एम्परर है। ओके अबे Mao Tse-tung was the father of communist revolution in this country.
China.
Very good. China what? फिर अब हो गया ना। अब नेक्स्ट कोई ऐसा हल बताओ that removes poison from the blood. करिए अभी क्या? What is the meaning of herbs that remove poison from the blood? ऐसा कौन सा हार्ट है जो ब्लड के क्वार्टर होगा उसको वो यूज कर देगा? ओके